Today we'll be making Asun rice, but with a different method. Very simple and easy. Hello besties, let's make it together. Now to begin, you'll be needing goat's meat. I already seasoned and cooked it. Then star of the recipe, curry leaf. Then some rice. I'm using basmati rice for this recipe. Then a bulb of onion, some peppers. I'm using habanero peppers. Use as you can tolerate. Then chombo. I've already cleaned them up and deseeded the chombo, so they're ready for blending. Here's some meat stock. I got this from the goat meat I cooked earlier. They'll be needing some vegetable oil. I'll proceed to roughly blend the peppers with a food processor. Thank you so much for watching today's video. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you guys a lot. And if today is your first time here, a warm welcome to you. Do well to subscribe to my channel so we become family. Also like and share this video to your friends and family. Thank you so much. So let's go into the cooking properly. Let's start by heating up some vegetable oil in a pot, going with diced onions. There is something I want to do in this first process. I want to build flavor. So I'll be adding some of the spices I'll be using for this recipe at this early stage. Okay. So I'll be adding bay leaf, thyme, rosemary, and curry powder. I'll stir this and allow the flavor to build up. Then after that, I will go in with some of the pepper mix. I'm going to stir this for some minutes. Here, Nepa took the lights. Oh my god. But it's fine. We continue. So I'll be adding some seasoning cube. I'll stir fry this for some minutes before going in with my washed rice. I washed the rice with salt and hot water. So I'll proceed to fry this rice for at least 2 minutes. Frying rice for 2 minutes helps it to be fluffy after cooking. So I fry this for 2 minutes, going with meat stock, going with the water I got from rinsing the blender, then add some salt to taste, stir that and cover and allow to cook for at least 30 minutes. 30 minutes is enough to cook basmati rice. In a frying pan, I'm going to be heating up some vegetable oil, then going with some diced onions. I'm going to stir fry this for about 2 minutes. Then I'll proceed to add the already cooked goat meat. I love to add goat meat at this point because it makes the goat meat flavorful, succulent, and very yummy. So I'm going to stir this for some minutes before going in with the remaining pepper mix. Today's hug goes to Esther, watching from Nigeria. Esther, thank you for finding my videos helpful. Besties, do well to tell me where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. So let's proceed. I'll stir fry this for some minutes, then add the star ingredient, which is curry leaf. You don't need much, just a little of it will be okay. This will simply elevate the taste of your asun. Then I will go ahead to season with seasoning cubes and salt. I'll fry this for some minutes and set aside. Back to our rice. At this point, our rice is properly cooked. Remember, I cooked this for 30 minutes. 30 minutes is okay to cook your basmati rice. I fluff off the steam. I proceed to add it bit by bit into the asun sauce. Now, there is no magic to making perfect asun rice. All you just need is to get the ingredients right at right proportions Follow guidelines and your Asun rice will come out perfect. So we are going to stir fry this for at least 2 to 3 minutes to allow the whole ingredients marry well. After that, our Asun rice is ready to be served. Besties, please do what to like this video. Share to your loved ones so it can gain massive visibility. Also, do well to tell me what your thoughts are concerning the video. I'll be waiting in the comments to read them and respond to them all. Okay, so I'll see you in my next one. Stay cool, guys. I love you all. Bye.